Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. For the ones that don't know, my name is Bella, and if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it helps get this channel out there. So we are going to be installing the Nifty City Tesla screen for the 370Z. It's going to give the Z a little bit more of a modern look. Ooh, it looks kind of weird. I kind of want to change this. Like, clearly this is already messed up because it had like stickers on it or like decals, and I took it off recently and I'm just like, no, we need to get something newer. And if you aren't aware of Nifty City, they do sell not only this, they also sell it for other platforms, and they're currently offering their Black Friday sale up to, I believe, 40% off from what I saw. So if you guys are interested, please go check out their products. I'm gonna put the link to this product specifically in the description box along with their site for you guys to check out all of their stuff. Just to find some time. Has actually already been used. This one came off of my fiance's car. He had before he sold the Z, he had the updated one with like the carbon, which is available, I'm pretty sure. And this is what she's looking like with all this freaking wire that I'm so excited to get into. I'm gonna start by removing the shifter. You have to remove these little, I guess, bolster things. I don't know what they're called, but I'm just gonna do it with the flash because the lighting freaking sucks in the garage. So you're gonna remove this clip here for the bolster little things majiggies. So this part just unclips up here at the top, but there is a Phillips head here. Looks like there's one here, and I think that's it. If there's more, I will let you know. Okay, so it was just 2 bolts. So it was this one, and then there was one in here. So it was this one, and then this top one, and then this comes off. So on this side, I haven't done this one yet. So it's gonna be this one, and then it's gonna be this tiny one in here, so that the bracket becomes loose, therefore this comes off. So for this part, to actually take this off, you simply just tug. I just tugged right here, and it should just come off. Okay, so this one freaking cross-threaded, so I'm gonna see if I can do it without having to move this one entirely, because but something tells me I probably won't be able to, so I gotta figure this out. And so as soon as you tug on this whole thing should become loose, and there we go. There are the 2 clips on each side. Please take them off before you freaking yeet them. Do not completely yeet it, but okay, that was a pain in the ass just to get this one off, but you literally just pinch the clip and it should come out. And then for this one, it looks like you do it from the top. Okay, so I got this one off. This is what it's gonna look like. All right, so now that we've got the top part piece removed, now we're going to remove the radio. Looks like you have 2 screws up here, one here, here. I don't know, I'll let you guys know how many specifically there is, but seems like it's just Phillips heads again, and yeah. Okay, so then this comes off, and then I'm assuming this, oh shit. Okay, so there was 2 clips behind the radio. So there was this one, there was one right here, and then I have to take off this big bulky one right here. And then you also need to take out the clip, holy shit, hold on. You also need to take out this one from the front that controls the AC. Okay, so now that we've gotten the OEM radio out, wouldn't say, like, it wasn't hard, it's just very annoying, especially with the whole Phillips head thing, but it's out now. Let's go get the let's go get the Tesla screen. Okay, so now I'm trying to like literally put 2 and 2 together, literally, because I cannot figure the freak out what goes where. This, you have to take your little cubby thing out. Now I believe there's going to be like 4 little Phillips heads on the back of this. Comes out as soon as you get the screws out, you just pull it over to the side, and then it becomes loose. This part becomes loose. Okay, so this is how he had it before he gave it to me, and I saw it on, even on Nifty City's video that they have for this one specifically, this was without it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little breakdown for you guys, because I'm pretty sure you guys probably won't have any of these connectors. So looks like this bundle right here, it's gonna look like this. Looks like it has a little, whoa, if it'll focus, it looks like a tiny little fuse with all this bundle of wires. This one is labeled WD806. This is what it looks like. And then looks like there's another one. This one has a brown clip. This is what it's labeled as. And then it comes down to the two USB, give me 1 second, to the two USB little connections. So you're gonna have two. This is gonna be one of these. Here's the other one. Because from what I was hearing in one of the videos is make sure that you connect all of the connectors directly to the screen before you start putting it to the into the car, because obviously you're gonna have other clips that you need to connect to it, but go ahead and get those connectors out of the way so you don't have to deal with, oh shit, now I'm missing this, now I have to go back. Before we move further, this has to come off because I believe this is going to be for your AC. I think so. Two little tiny little Phillips screws. Take this off, and this has to connect to the back of the screen. Everything literally is going to just connect, because if it's like the clip doesn't fit, it's not that one. So this one is going to be for your start button. This one's going to be for the airbag light. This one is going to be for that climate control, I believe. And then I don't know what this one is. So I'm going to connect this one to the little white box. This seems like it's actually working. So we're going to just turn the screen on, see how, if it worked, if my install worked. And then I want to see if I can show you guys a little bit of the connections. Hold on. Okay, so you get a little bit closer. So you see the gray one connected with the gray one. There's going to be a white clip that connects with this one, and then again it's literally your starter and then the airbag, and then I think that's it. And then obviously besides the big white chunky block piece that connects to your little climate clip, and then you do have one more clip here that's at the bottom, but this one was for the shifter, that clip for that. And then that's realistically it. I went ahead and just kind of pushed it back a little bit just to see if it worked, because if not, then we're gonna have to do this again. So, oh shit. Oh yes, success. Woo! All right, let's get into some of the features that this Tesla screen for the 370Z has. So it looks like it has navigation, you have your radio. Okay, perfect, that works. You got your and your AM. Oh shit, hold on, let's turn that down. And last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and connect the shifter back. It gets connected by this last clip right here. And then we should essentially be good to go. But obviously I need to screw this back all in place. Looks like everything is working fine. So bright. Okay, so that is going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully the install makes sense. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please let me know down in the comments or hit me up directly on Instagram. I also do want to say thank you guys for subscribing, and we reached 8,000 subscribers before the end of the year, so I really do appreciate it. You guys don't know how much that means to me. Next year, now let's try to hit like maybe 10K. That's probably like doable, but you know, I've also heard like, oh, you can probably reach 100. I don't know, but also do want to say, by the time you guys have already seen this, Thanksgiving's already over, so happy late Thanksgiving and happy holidays to you guys. Hopefully you guys had an amazing time with your family, friends. And yeah, again, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. It is also Black Friday today, so Nifty City is doing up to 40% off. I'm pretty sure including this screen specifically. This screen is going to be in the description box along with their website, so you guys can check them out. And again, like I said, if you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer the million questions you guys might have about like the nitty-gritty. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.